Hello everyone, my name is Divyang Sharma and today I am here to talk to you about our project entitled Range Anxiety in Electric Vehicles. Over the course of my college, I have made this project with my comrades Harsh Chandra and Arpit Verma. Our project ID is 20 and we made this project under the supervision of Mr. Krishna Bihari Dubey. By the end of this small video, I am hoping to give you a better understanding of our project. Now let's get started with our first slide. As you can see, here are the list of contents which we will cover in this video, like introduction, idea of approach, literature survey, EV requirements and problems, proposed work, technology use, project overview, conclusions, references. Starting with the introduction, EVs are the electric vehicles which are halfway or thoroughly operated by electric power. An electrical automobile could be steam powered by an electrical motor instead of traditional petrol or diesel engines. This motor is steam powered by reversible batteries that may be charged by common unit electricity. Aside from lead acid or nickel metal binary composite battery packs, metallic elements particles batteries are currently considered to be the best options for modern battery electrical vehicles because they require longer lifespan and are excellent at retaining energy with a self-discharge rate of just 5 liters per month. Electric vehicles will have a large range of charging options, making them suitable for most daily commutes. It is possible, however, that fuel cells may require recharging before you get at your destination, although regenerated brakes or will help offset this by recharging batteries. Additionally, India's dedication to pollution control and minimizing its carbon impact is growing. The purpose of our project is to resolve the difficulty of varied anxiety within which is a breakdown happens during travels. It will indicate the chauffeur considering it and provides the required details of closed charging stations and repair stations. Here we have shown our idea of approach. Like as you can see, we have developed a web app that can provide you a range anxiety solution. Like it will give you information about near a charging station, it shows the battery and its performance, and it will be an eco-friendly idea or an eco-friendly approach. Now moving forward to the literature survey. We studied several research papers to create the foundation for this project. Through the study of those articles, we learned about the many methodologies that were utilized as well as importance of each methods and its benefits and drawbacks. We have also discovered that the research faced numerous constraints as well as cause for those limitations and informations that on using which methodologies the precise outcomes were obtained. We also learned about the scopes for improvement in the method used and which methods were successful in achieving the object of solving the issues of range anxiety in electric vehicles. Here are the few research papers with their methodologies and outcomes. Like one of the methodology are a survey done on the mentality of adopter users of EVs. The data collection was done through a structured questionnaire. The data of this study is collected from the EVs by Mahindra Limited. For analysis purposes, the samples are collected at 1 sample per second. For data collection, cars were driven in real traffic with no restrictions of use. In this paper, multiple linear regression used for all analysis of single measure outcomes and mixed effect linear models for the analysis of the repeated willingness to pay and range anxiety outcomes. Here are few more methodologies use of vector network analyzer to determine S parameters at high frequency, then using a suitable software corresponding to equivalent generator. Now here are some methodologies which were used in few research papers. As demonstrated, here these are the electric vehicles requirement and problems. Enduring to proposed work. The objective is to create a web application to peer the problem of range anxiety in electric vehicles, which is the main cause for the future aspect that allow user to connect all charging station and service station over the map using plug-share API technology. Here we design web application on range in electric vehicles using HTML, CSS, Node.js, JavaScript and Firebase. Electric vehicle as well as its source of power face a number of major hurdles to commercially adoption, including concern with the infrastructure, technology, maturity, and consumer expectations. For example, price. We are connecting this application to cover range anxiety, which will solve the issue of driver if any breakdown happen during travel. These are the technologies which are used in building this project: HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, Firebase as a backend database, React.js, and Node.js. Here is our project review. This is user authentication page. This is our main home page or dashboard. This is, you can see, this is battery status, PlugShare API map, and this is chat system. And now I'm concluding this project with the following conclusion. Results furthermore specified that using PlugShare application for range anxiety in electric vehicles tell user or drivers to locate service stations and charging station in PlugShare map in breakdown conditions. In this application, user will be notified by a battery level status, weather reports, and nearby changing stations, service stations on the PlugShare, and most importantly, it provides breakdown assistance for the user driver in case of emergency. The objective of software planning is to provide a framework that enables the user to find nearest charging station, service station, and can communicate with nearest driver in case of breakdown or emergency with the help of chatbot. In the last, here are few references of few previous research paper.
Hello, myself Arpit Verma. Now, as we have discussed earlier, I am going to give you an overview of our project Range Anxiety in Electric Vehicle. Here we have deployed our app on Netlify app. It requires an authentication module to get an overview of the app. The login module is designed using React.js and Firebase. As we have used Google Authentication to authenticate and save the user details. Further, we are showing the homepage of our app. We have used our laptop as a simulator, according to which we will show the functionalities of our app. This is the homepage. This is the weather API we have used using JavaScript, which will show the current weather of the vehicle we have in which city. This is the battery module, which will show the battery charging status and level of percentage. Further, going on to battery module, we have used an adapter. We have used the power source which is connected to the simulator or the vehicle. We will show the level percentage and the fully charging time. Further, going on to third module, that is our map, we have used PlugShare API to show the nearby charging stations and service stations of electric vehicles. The problem of range anxiety is solved using PlugShare API. The functionalities of PlugShare API are to show the nearby charging stations and service stations. The fourth module of our app is emergency chatbot system, which will send a message to a respective contact or emergency contact whenever the vehicle is breakdown. We have used a condition which will give the condition of vehicle breakdown using this button simulate breakdown. The app will share the current live location of the vehicle as the system sends this condition of breakdown. The current longitude and latitude of the vehicle will be shared to the emergency contact. This is all of our project. Thank you very much.